So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to insert the registered sign or the registered symbol, I should say, here on a Microsoft Word document. So once that is opened up, or you're on a current one, or whatever the case may be, go to the top left in between Draw and Home, press on Insert. Go all the way to the far right at the top to where it says Advanced Symbols right here. Press on that. Then by default, for me, it actually does come to the Symbols tab, but you could be on the Symbols tab right here. Press on Special Characters. That's what you're looking for. Then just scroll down a little bit until you come across right below copyright. It says registered. So that's the little R with the circle. Press on that, then press on insert. I'll do it a couple times here so you guys can see. Then once that is done, I'll press on close. And there you go. I've now inserted a couple different registered signs here on Microsoft Word. So super simple, super straightforward. This is how to insert or how to add a registered symbol here on Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.